Hello everybody, this is Real Reviews YS and Matsi and April. And today we'll be reviewing this new cat tree. Perfect for this spot right there where they're at. So I got this a while back and I was waiting for April to be here so I could set it up for both of them. So this is by Frisco, Better Pet Goods. It's a 20-inch and I got it at Chewy and I'm excited. Yay! And they'll be so happy too. So let's go ahead and open this up. So when you open it, this is how it's gonna look. It's heavy. Whoa. So let's see. Here we have it. So I believe, looking at it right now, I'm very happy with it. This is more of a suede field. They're going to love it because I love it already for them. So let's go ahead and just put this together so they can start playing and hanging out by the sunset. While I'm putting it together, I'm just gonna quickly say that Matsi and April are getting along fantastically, playing, bathing each other. So I couldn't be happier as a cat mom. So this is the instructions. Pretty self-explanatory. So I took the stuff out of the bag and I'm going to start assembling it. It's only 2 steps. So let me move these aside. Right now I'm going to focus, and step 1 will be to put together these 2 posts. Here we have 4 and 4. Here we have. So I'm so happy with this one. So simple. This is all I need. Just these 2. Look for the little hole there. So I would use the box as a resting place. So you could just kind of put your bowl. I kind of just like twisting some of it before I start tightening it with my little screw provided. From here, make sure it's very tight because my kitties did manage to break the other one. All I had to do was just kind of tighten it and it works. Here we go. That's one. The next post, it's right here. So with the little thing sticking up, I like putting the screw first and then just kind of holding it. So excited. I really like this silky cream color. I thought it would be exactly like the other one because I did buy one exactly like this, but I like this material slightly better. Okay, so now that's step 1. Step 2 is to put this one goes here. So this is simple, just kind of just twist it in there. I must say that I've never built one so fast. There we go. Then the last step right here. So I'm very happy with this trade entry. Give it a nice last tug here. There we go. So there we have it. We see April trying to make an approach. Yay! She likes it. She's playing already with it. And this is the perfect size. This is why we wanted it 28 inch. It's just the perfect size for our little back window. So they'll be able to see this, what's out there, dogs. Just get some sunlight. She's loving it. April, you like it? She's just a playful kitty, full of energy. Matsi just likes to chill nowadays. Matsi, come. Come test it. So this is a closer look. So I'll write in the description how much it was. I don't recall it. She approves, I approve. Matsi hopefully comes and tests it out too. So like and subscribe and let me know what kind of other videos you want us to show you guys. Say bye, April.